Hi, everyone. It's been wonderful to be part of Google for Startups program, and we've had a tremendous journey in the accelerator cohort. Uh, my name is Anubhav Jain, and I'm part of the Rupifi team, and I'm going to be sharing our journey and our experience today. Rupifi was started by me and my co-founder Javed, both of us almost 3 years back in January 2020. And since then, we've had the pleasure of working with some of the smartest minds and solving the problems of small businesses in India. Small businesses in India have struggled with respect to access to capital and financial products uh, ever since. And we've tried to solve that for the long tail small businesses, which is right at the bottom and which faces the problem of access more than anything else. What's the problem that we solve? Why do small businesses have difficult access to financial products? It's a combination of multiple things, but essentially, what we are trying to do is overcome the costs of acquisition, collections, and underwriting by enabling simplest B2B transactions. As we all know, consumer internet and consumer payments has gone disruption over the last decade or so. Uh, but B2B transactions are still broken. They are still offline. The collections risk are very high. The reconciliation is a challenge because the payment modes are still consisting of checks and cash and bank transfers. And the day to day requirements are also very specific to B2B needs. For example, there are requirements for advance payments, split payments, part payments, which cannot be solved with the usual payment gateway and consumer payment use cases. That brings the need for a more specific product on the B2B transaction side. What we've done is we've combined the offering into two parts, provide a complete payment solution to the distributors and marketplaces so that they can work with these long tail SMEs and enable payments and credit for them, as well as provide a financial credit facility for retailers so that they can enjoy flexibility as well as zero cost credit, which helps them solve their day to day working capital. This combined solution enables B2B transactions like nothing else and drives growth both on the supplier as well as the buyer side. Our growth story over the last 3 years has been about working with more than 60 clients across industries. We are currently present in FMCG, Kirana, fashion, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, consumer durables, electronics, and agriculture inputs. Some of the largest names that we work with, more than $300 million of cumulative B2B credit is what we have enabled. Uh, the good part about being in this business is we are actually solving the grassroots problems. 60% of our users are first time credit users, so we are really bringing them into the financial ecosystem. And more than 80% of them are coming from tier 2, tier 3 geographies, which are currently largely underserved. Our leadership team brings together more than 100 years of combined experience across business, engineering, product strategy, collections, and data science. And we hope that we continue to work towards solving problems for small businesses and enabling B2B transactions at larger scale. Thank you, everyone.